my beauties. Hello gentlemen. Yes, I say gentlemen because I know there are men watching my video. You're all welcome back to my channel. My name is Oreva, creative director for Eru Naturals. Yes, welcome back once again. If this is your first time passing by, you're just getting to my channel, you're just seeing this channel for the very first time, please go ahead and hit the red button. It's called the subscribe button right there and become a subscriber. And for my subscribers already, thank you so much for being here. Yes, thank you so much. My channel has we've grown more than 500 subscribers and I'm so excited. Please keep the subscriptions coming. Thank you so much for being here. I do not take your followership for granted. Yes, so on today's episode I want to show you how to make your Halfcast glossy whitening face cream. Yes, it's going to be a series. This is the first one I'm going to be making, and in the next video I'm going to make the Halfcast lotion, and then the video after that I'm going to make the Halfcast soap. So make sure you stay tuned so you don't miss out on all this. This first one is the face cream, next one will be the body lotion, the next one after that will be the soap, and then the oil. Okay, so keep watching my videos, okay, so you don't miss out on anything I'm going to be dropping. All right, so let's get straight down to the video for today. Now these are the things we're going to need for this face cream. First thing, I'm going to be needing my bowl, my mixing bowl and my mixing spoon. They have been washed and properly sterilized, yes. And then, we're going to be needing our Glutathione vitamin C face cream, okay? Glutathione vitamin C face cream. This cream is very nice. It is super whitening. Next thing I'm going to be needing is my Amos white face cream, okay? It has SPF 50, so it's very safe for you, and it's anti-spot as well, so it's going to take out your dark spots if you have any on your face. Next thing is our Diva White Gold face cream. I hope you can all see what I'm showing you. Diva White face cream, okay? This one as well is anti-spot. It removes dark spot from your face and it's also a whitening cream. Next thing we're going to be needing are Kojic acid serum, magic white serum, perfect face serum. Yes, this is anti-pimple as well, so it's going to take care of your pimples if you have any of your on your face, or if you don't have any pimple on your face, do not worry. While using this face cream, you're not going to get any, okay? Our glutathione injection tube. This is the vitamin C one, so it is mild. It's not going to damage your face in any way, and it's also whitening. We also need our Applevet lightening tube, and last but not least our Feah whitening tube. Okay, so I'm going to get to mixing now, right? Follow the steps so you can make yours and then tell me how it goes at the end of the day. Okay, so first things I'm going to be adding into my mixing bowl are my tubes. I'm going to add my tubes and then mix everything together before I add anything else. This face cream will leave your face glossy, and at the same time it will whiten your face. Please, like I always say, if you do not want to whiten at all, do not go near any of my whitening recipes because they will whiten you. Okay. I'm trying to do this very fast because my baby already started crying and I do not want him to keep crying because I cannot stand it. Okay, so I'll quickly go ahead and mix this. Okay, I'm going to add my face creams now. If you have to use your hands to bring out your cream from the container, make sure your hand is properly washed. Make sure it's clean, please. We don't want bacteria or dirt and germs getting in our production. We don't want to cause any form of skin issues for our clients or yourself if you are using this yourself. So your hands have to be clean. I always stress on cleaning your stuff. You even have to clean your surface area where you're working. Clean it and sterilize it. Okay, this spoon is too small for this, so let me try another method and see. Okay, now that doesn't work. My hands are clean, they are washed, so I can go ahead and do this. So now that I have all my cream, I'm going to mix everything before we put in our serums. Okay, that's mixed. I'm going to do 2 tablespoons of our Kojic acid serum. Two tablespoons of our magic potion. And I'll be using this whole bottle of our perfect face serum. I'll give that a quick mix before I whip it to get my desired consistency and a very smooth face cream. Okay, I'll go ahead and whip this and then come back to show you the finished product. Okay, so we're done whipping, and this is the final look of our Halfcast Glossy Whitening face cream. Okay, so that's it. We're done with our Halfcast Glossy face cream. Like I always say, if you do not want to whiten your skin, please do not go close to any of my whitening recipes because they will whiten you. Okay, so this looks so beautiful. I'm going to put them in my containers for sale, and then I'm going to keep one for myself because, like you all know, I'm on my whitening journey. Yes, so I've just had my baby, and so I'm going to get back on my skin treatments and then get on it. Okay, so please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. It is free. I always say this, I will not charge you for subscribing. YouTube will not charge you either. So hit the button, the red button, and become a subscriber. And thank you so much, my subscribers that are already here. Thank you so much for your love, for your support, and for always watching my videos. Also, go ahead and hit the notification bell so that you will always be updated when excuse me, whenever I put up a new video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave your comments as well. Try this recipe out and let me know how it goes. Okay, also we have these products, whatever product you see on my YouTube channel, we have them for sale. So if you cannot make these yourself, go ahead and send us a WhatsApp message so you can get yours. We deliver worldwide. And yes, we're going to be having our mid-year sales soon. That's why we're restocking most of our products, right? So everything you need will be on sale. Okay, they'll be available at the store. So all you need to do is send us a WhatsApp message on our WhatsApp number, or send us a DM on Instagram, or send us a message on Facebook. Yes. Okay, so thank you so much for watching my videos. If this video was really helpful to you, don't forget to share with your friends. Okay, share with your friends, share with your family members. All right, thank you very much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.